Hello students, today we are going to make a kite. The material required is handmade sheet blue and pink, golden paper, broomstick, fevicol, scissors and decoration material. First of all, cut a big square from blue handmade sheet and small from pink handmade sheet. Cut thin strip from golden paper. Cover the broomsticks with the golden paper. Cut the thin strips from golden paper. Cover the broomsticks with golden paper. Place the broomstick straight up to bottom on the square. Place another broomstick in a curved way from right to left. Put the pink sphere in triangle shape, place it at the bottom of kite. Place flowers on it. Now, as you can see, the kite is ready.